Good afternoon. The National Weather Service currently has a tornado warning just to the north of Quitman, Mississippi right now. The Storm Prediction Center has also updated the marginal risk for severe thunderstorms to a slight risk for severe thunderstorms due to the environmental conditions that have turned out to be very favorable for tornadoes, severe weather, and all that. We've got rotation located just a few miles northeast of Quitman, Mississippi right now. A severe thunderstorm warning currently in effect for Barnett right now, which is also producing some rotation, and might get tornado warned pretty soon. But as of now, it is not warned. There is another severe thunderstorm warning for Tucker's Crossing, which is also producing a very small area of minor rotation. Not enough to be concerned about, though. I doubt that will get to the point where it'll be warned, tornado warned. The slight risk for severe thunderstorms expands from Opelika, Alabama, all the way toward Marksville, Louisiana right now. And that is where the highest chances for these major impacts are expected. Major impacts, the major impacts being the threat for tornadoes, which currently is still at about 5% chance, so about a low to moderate probability for some tornadoes, generally from central and southern Alabama through southern Mississippi and into southeastern Louisiana. Wind threat currently remaining at 15%, which is again a low to moderate probability for strong winds over 60 miles per hour in any severe thunderstorm that does develop. Again, that goes for southern and central regions of Alabama, southern regions of Mississippi, and southeastern areas of central eastern as well, areas of Louisiana. Hail appears to be a marginal threat, mainly up for southern Mississippi, southwestern Alabama, and eastern Louisiana right now. The National Weather Service also has a tornado watch currently in effect due to the environmental conditions that have been favorable for producing tornadoes. They've issued a general in terms of likelihood, the moderate likelihood for tornadoes. EF2 tornadoes also appears to be appears to be pretty likely. Severe wind also at that moderate chance. So all three of those are moderate. 65 plus knot winds are lower chance. So thankfully you guys are not going to be up for anything for that many chances of things going over 65 knots. Severe hail also appears to be a moderate threat. However, hail larger than 2 inches does not appear to be as much of a threat. So the National Weather Service has tornado warning currently in effect for Mississippi, and a tornado watch currently in effect, and severe weather is continuing and will continue over the next few hours.